Yeah, man. Hey, I hate these safe
I
spaces,
fucking
man.
died, bro.
These safe spaces that they create in the like. Remember that we went to that
I got kicked out then.
So yeah, we went to this. I wouldn't mention it. I don't really know. And they like, as soon as we got into this room, they were like, "Oh, the men speak here and the women go speak over there." And then, as soon as we got into the room, like the first guy that spoke, he was like, like it's hard as a man. Shut up, man! What the hell? It's hard as a man. He started with that
Wait,
shit, and I was like,
If his
bro,
voice
and
shaky.
Chile, straight away in my body, I was like, what the fuck is this, bro? Like, oh, like as a man, it's hard, working. I was like, what the fuck? Who do you want to go do the work then, you dumb cunt? What the? Boys, stop talking like this, you fucking idiots. Like,